Hi friends, finally we have our hands on Techberry's SS100, the Superstar series. This is the most awaited mobile of the year. This is called SS100, the Superstar 100. Why it is called SS100? Many of you may have that question. So we are going to find out why this is called Superstar 100. So this is the phone. First we'll see the physical features of the phone. As you can see, in the front of the phone you can see the Techberry branding logo over here, and over here you can see a few dedicated keys like SIM1 key, SIM2 call button key, and this is the FM key dedicated for FM, and this is the call cut key. Left hand side, right hand side there is nothing. On the bottom of the phone you can see the all the connecting stuffs, like this is the microphone, and this is for charging, and this one is for the hands-free set. And on the top of the phone you can see the torch. On the back side here you can see the 1.3 megapixel camera, and this is for the speaker. Down here you can see the Techberry logo. Now let's open the phone and see what is inside. As I said, this phone is very lightweight. As you can see, a very good finishing over here. This is the speaker opening, loudspeaker opening. It's covered with some net, and over here you can see two slots. This slot is for SIM1 and this one is for SIM2. This slot is for memory card, which supports up to 4 GB of memory. Now let's see about the battery of the phone. This phone comes with a Techberry battery, and over here you can see the Techberry branding logo, and this is the website of Techberry, www.techberrymobiles.com. On the back end side you can see the features of the battery. This is exclusively for SS100, and it is 850 mAh battery, which is a quite solid battery. Now before placing the battery, we'll put some SIM inside this. Let's put SIM and SIM2. We'll place the battery. So the phone starts with the Techberry logo animation. It's a quite quick starter, and the accessories which comes with this phone is the classic headset hands-free, which is dual-sided. You can hear either from the socket side or from the normal side, and here's the plug for it. You can plug play. You can use like this. Say here you can the notifications. If we do a long press to the center button, the torch will be activated, and if we again long press it, torch will get off. Here you can see the notifications. Before going to that, we'll just quickly see the menu of the phone. If we press the center button, it will go to the menu. Here you can see the menu icons. This is the call log icon, contact, internet icon, multimedia, message, tools, games, file management, and settings. Now we will one by one look into the icons. This is the call log icon. Here you can have all the call details. This is the dialed calls list, received calls list, missed call, reject call, delete all the stuffs you have here. Here you also have a GPRS counter. GPRS counter, you can see how much data is used. You can see the both SIM1 and SIM2. On the SMS counter also you can see how many messages have been sent, how many has been received. Both separately you can see for SIM1 and SIM2. In the contact icon you can do all stuffs. You can see, you can group the contacts, and you can do shortcut searches, etc. You can add up to 250 contacts in this memory, phone memory, and you have speed dialing from 2 to 9. We'll go to the internet section. Here you can activate your internet over SIM 1 or SIM 2. If you go back, as you go into the multimedia, you can see the camera. You can click images. See, you can see the image quality, very good. If you go back, here you have all the settings of the camera. You can set the quality, advanced, common or low type, banding 50 Hz or 60 Hz, shutter speed, auto save option, display parameters, etc. These are the features of the camera. The resolution of the camera is 128 into 160. It may be slightly more than that also if you go and change in the settings. Now, image browser is the folder where you can see all the clicked images. No memory card is there in this phone, so no images are stored. If you go back, you can see the video recorder. Video recorder is quite good. Here also you have the view mode option, settings, storage, all other help stuff. If you go back, you have the audio player. This phone is capable of supporting MP3, WMA formats. If you go to the video player, it supports 3GP and MP4 to certain resolution. And here you can see the FM radio. If you plug the jack, earphone jack, you see the notification here. Now you give OK. You can search for channels. Or you can set your own channels. It also has an audio recorder which can do good recording, audio recording, and that's all for the multimedia. Now we will go to the messaging section. Here you can write message. It supports T9 dictionary and you can add up your own words to this one. You have templates, add contacts, all the other stuffs, and inbox, outbox, all the other kind of stuff. Here you have romantic tips, dating tips, morning templates, etc. This is all for the messaging section. And in the tools you can see the calendar, alarm clock, calculator, torchlight. You can activate it over here, or you can use the center button to use it. You have the Bluetooth, which is the key feature of the phone. You can search Bluetooth over here. Bluetooth is on now. You can close the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is off. Bluetooth visibility you can set. You can pair the device. Your Bluetooth name you can set. You can store the Bluetooth storage, other help desk. You go back and you have the stopwatch. You can see the split time, you can see the lap and N-way, and you have the world clock. You can just jump and see the timings of the world. And here you have the network connectivity, like in this we have Airtel SIM, and last one is the stock market. This is for the business class peoples. And here in game you have only one game, which is, you can see new game, resume, set levels, etc. And on the file management, categorize your stuff, like you can do a folder of music, photo, video, etc. Or you can send it or edit it, rename it, copy it, anything you can do with that. You have a separate search option, you can mark up, you can do all other stuffs like format the phone, etc. Settings, the call settings, you can set the dual SIM network selection, call divert, bad, call bat, call waiting, hide your ID, SIM 1 and SIM 2, select lines, SIM 1 and SIM 2, flight, you can set it to flight mode, other. So these are some key features of call setting. Now go to the phone settings. You can set your date and time. You can select your language, English and Hindi. You can set up your own shortcuts keys, like you can see the left arrow keys for message, right for contact. You can customize all these stuffs. And auto power on off, greeting text, power management, etc. is there. You can restore your phone by doing this factory settings. And on the display settings, you can see the wallpaper settings and ideal display settings, contrast, you can adjust the backlight of the phone, you can adjust the keypad backlight also, you can adjust the animation effects. The best thing about this phone is you can control the on-off animation of the phone with this. So you can adjust the on-off animation, you can add up your own animation. So these are some pretty good features. Now go to the security settings. Here you can set up your pin 1, pin 2, privacy, keypad, you can lock your phone, power on off, etc. You can check the guard lock, etc. Here you can set the profile mode, you can set it to normal, or you can set it to silent and indoor, outdoor, etc. This is the connection manager for your network connection and GPRS connection, etc.